Hey, if you wanna connect Bluetooth device to your HTC Desire 19 Plus, you have to open notification bar, so let's do this right now. And as you can see, here is the Bluetooth icon, so click and hold it. And now you have to click on the pair new device. And this is the name of our device. So if you have any smartphone or device with a Bluetooth connection, here you are going to see this, and as you can see, there is Phoenix 5, Little Miss Dynamite. So if you wanna connect to one of them, just click and pair on the second device. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.